What's going on, folks? Alright, I am going to pick another lock. This one is another one I got from Mr. Bill Bacardi. This one is pinned by Jeffry Post. If you can see it, there it is. I have not even looked at my other video yet, so this video and the other one of Bill Bacardi's 220. If I've got black lines in the screen, that is my camera, not your screen. The camera's fighting me right now. I can't seem to get my lighting right. So, on that note, for one, let's fix my vise. And get this one clamped up. Alrighty. Alright, and you can see lock works. And get that out of the way. Let's do bottom of the keyway. And we're going for the absolutely deepest hook I've got, which is I believe that's the Lunatic by Sparrows. We're going to see what kind of damage we can do with that. That felt like 3, 5. Several clicks out of 5. And I have not picked this one at all. That was 1. That gave me the killer falset. Alright, so which one is going to give me feedback? Oh, number 1. And it's probably going to make me drop everything too. Nope. That was luck. And I will take it. Alright, let's zoom you all out. And let's go ahead and pop the clip off. And we're going to be using a white pinning tray this time. Now I've got no clue the core in here, if it's got grooves or anything else in it, so we are going to shim. Let's see, do I have scissors? Yes, I do. So let's take off just the end of that and clean that up. Now let's see if this works. Works like a brand new shim. Did you believe that? Yep, and it has all the grooves on this side. Where did I put that key? There it is. Alright. Alright, all the key pins are in and working. Let's see. Looks like these are all just modified regular quick set pins. So far there are 2 serrateds, standard, very nice double spool, then another double serrated, and threaded in 1, 2, and 4. Let's see. Tweezers. Very nice step spool. Yep. There it is. Another double spool. Standard. See what we've got in the back. That's a long one. Very serrated. Looks like these are all the stock springs from it. Very nice serrated spool, stepped spool. Got a lot of everything going on with that one. Alright, let's see what we've got up top. Everything up top is threaded. Yeah, for the keen-eyed people, you'll understand why I did not set that down. I still have the Bill Bacardi lock sitting right there, disassembled. I don't feel like chasing pins. Alright. Very nice looking pins. Alright folks, you know, I'm gonna say go check out Discord. Link is in the description below. Go check out Jeffry Post. I know he's got a channel. I don't think he's got a lot of videos. But if he's got a channel, it'll be in the description. Mr. Bill Bacardi, his channel is going to be in the description. That's who I got this from. This one is Jeffry Post number 24. You can catch the number on the back of it. But until next time, folks, keep it legal and come by Discord and say hi to everyone. See ya.